Hi, so this week I'm going to install a PI PICO in a PlayStation 1. So this is an old PlayStation 1 I bought off eBay. Only certain models can be modded. I'm going to use this PI PICO, which costs £2.50, and this SD card connector. So first off, we just need to install the firmware on the PI PICO. So you just download it from the GitHub and then drag it across into its folder. And then once you drag it across, the folder will disappear, and then this will show that it's being installed properly. Then we need to format the SD card to exFAT and then install the games, including the bin and the Q files. We'll open up the PlayStation 1, remove all the screws out the back, disconnect all the connections, DVD reader out, all the screws, take the top shield off, more screws, and then these are the pins that we need to lift. So get a soldering iron and a metal knife, and then we just need to lift up these pins, and then we need to solder a lot of wires from the PI PICO. So attach it with double-sided tape, connect all my wires to the test points, make sure they're all okay, remove this resistor, and then we just need to make the connection to the SD card. So there's 6 wires that we need to run. Make sure these wires are thicker. I'm going to give it a good clean before we put it back together. So take all the metal parts out, put it in soapy water, give it a good clean. We start putting it back together, capped on tape over the back of it so it doesn't short, put the motherboard back into place. And then all the shields go back on, all the screws go back in. So we put the DVD back in the drive, so I want to have the SD card coming through. So I burn a hole with a soldering iron so we can access the SD card in the bay. All the screws go back in. We'll plug it all back in, give it a test. As you can see, we've got games showing. So we've now got a fully modded PlayStation 1. So this will play any games from your SD card, and then you just save it to the official memory cards as normal. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.